A fossil skull unearthed in 1996 has puzzled researchers for decades. They referred to the animal it came from as strange beast. In the desert of Shenzhen, China, strange beast is just one of a myriad of fossils that have been uncovered, painting a picture of the diverse group of animals that thrived over 14 million years ago. Now, a study in science reconstructs what this strange beast looked like and how it fit in with neighboring herbivores. First, the researchers started by taking CT scans of the specimen's skull. They found that the outer wall of its inner ear was very similar to giraffoids, a family of animals with only 2 living species. Back in the Miocene, many other kinds of giraffoids prospered, sporting a variety of bony structures affixed atop their heads. But the strange beast's headgear stood out. No antlers here. Instead, it donned a thick, flat layer of bone. Up close, the bone was rough, suggesting a tough outer layer coated this bony top, likely made of keratin. The researchers named this animal Discocarex sheche. Discocarex meaning round-plated horn, and sheche a reference to a single-horned beast from Chinese legends. Moving down from the skull to the neck, more unusual features appeared. Its vertebrae were extremely thick, containing large areas where the joints touch each other between vertebrae. To see if this sturdily built neck and durable headgear could have been useful for combat, the researchers analyzed sheche's vertebrae to see how much stress it could withstand. After running simulations of headbutting with and without this extra overlap, they found that the thicker vertebrae better absorbed the blow of intense combat and prevented the head from rotating too far. Simulations also revealed that the disc-shaped headgear better protected the brain than the horns of sheep and musk oxen. Next, the researchers analyzed isotopes in sheche's tooth enamel to understand where they lived and foraged. The plants animals eat contain different amounts of carbon-13, while oxygen-18 varies depending on an animal's source of water. The high average value of carbon-13 suggests that sheche foraged on open land, unlike other herbivores in the community, which stuck to forests. The large range of oxygen-18 values could mean that sheche drank water from multiple sources, or changed where they lived depending on the season. Together, these isotope findings suggest that sheche had a distinct range from other herbivores in the community. Giraffoids, particularly today's extremely long-necked giraffes, have often been used as a lesson by those interested in how animals evolve traits. Darwin proposed that their elongated necks evolved from competition with other browsers. Others think that the long necks formed from necking among males struggling for dominance. Both environment and combat could have played a role in how the strange beast got its hat. Sheche fed from a different part of the ecosystem than other herbivores, comparable to the unique area giraffes browse for food. Competition for resources among sheche's males might have led to combat and the evolution of strongly reinforced heads and burly necks. Who knows what type of wacky headgear researchers may unearth in the future?